Whether you're traveling for business or leisure, most likely you'll be spending some time staying in a hotel. There are so many ways to get the best out of your hotel experience. So in this video, I'm going to give you 7 ways to make the most out of your hotel stay. And we're beginning now. Hello, Trey Tracy with Magnolia Travel Group here. Thank you for stopping by my channel where you'll find travel tips, destination information, and overviews of my own travel. Please take a moment to click that subscription button followed by the notification bell. Now that part's out of the way, I recently stayed at several hotels where we were not there for anything other than spend the night. So it really got me to thinking of all the extras a hotel may offer a guest that can help them get the best out of their hotel stay. The first one is to arrive early and stay late. In many cases, you can request an early check-in or check-out, especially if you're a member of that hotel's loyalty program. Use this extra time to enjoy the comfort of your room, but keep in mind that hotels can only extend early check-in or check-out if there's availability. So be sure to request this extra time when you're booking your hotel reservation. Number 2, consider hotel bundles. Sometimes the best values come from booking more than just a hotel room. Look for special packages that bundle meals, tickets to local attractions or special events, and more. Keep in mind too, when bundling a hotel with air or car rental, you can also increase your savings. Number 3, interact with the hotel staff. Get to know them. They know the area and are a great resource when you're looking for recommendations of places to eat, things to see or do, etc. Being friendly with the staff will go a long way when you need a special request. Think about it. Wouldn't you want to help someone who is friendly versus someone who really is a grouch? Number 4, tip generously. You might have befriended the staff, but you shouldn't stop there. It is their job to assist you because you're paying for a service. However, when they do a good job or go well above and beyond, you should not skimp on that gratuity. Typically in most hotels, the bellman, the concierge, valet, shuttle bus driver, room service, or even the housekeeping are the ones that you're going to primarily consider tipping. Don't know what to tip? Don't worry. At the end of this video, look down in the description and I've got a link to a blog article where I give you recommendations of gratuities within the United States. Number 5, do something special for yourself. Making memory depends on you, not just the hotel. Add some romance to the room by arranging to have rose petals scattered throughout the room before your arrival. If the kids are with you, special room decorations such as candy or balloons will ensure big smiles. You can order a fruit basket or other treats to be put in the room as a surprise. These small items are not costly and usually can be arranged by calling the hotel concierge or front desk staff. Remember, it's these little touches that upgrade your stay. Number 6, don't forget the extras. From local newspapers to toiletries, these complimentary items are available at most hotels. All you have to do is just ask. Number 7, complain when necessary. Branded hotel properties have to follow strict guidelines and quality of service. Therefore, when something goes wrong with your stay, do not keep quiet about it. Be sure to let the hotel management know about the issue. If these things go unreported, then the hotel management may not know there is a problem. However, on the flip side, if a hotel employee does an exceptional job or your stay was much better than expected, let the management know. Oftentimes, this is how hotel staff are rewarded. Now, if you've booked your hotel with a travel advisor, be sure to let him or her know about your stay. If you had a negative experience, they need to know about it so they won't book clients at that hotel again. If you had a positive experience, they want to be able to share that with future clients and even thank the hotel staff on your behalf for taking good care of you. Now, if you have a good tip for getting more out of your hotel stay, I would love to hear about it. Go ahead and put that down in the comments below. Finally, if you found this video helpful, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Until next time, thank you.